Hello lovelies, thank you so much for joining me. Temu haul today, not massive, although it is a massive bag. There's a good reason why it's a big bag, but it won't actually fit on my desk at all. Look, it's this big. So I'm going to take the big thing out, and then I can bring it back up. So let's just put my way in. Yeah, so it's all nail related, I think. I don't think I've bought anything that's not nail related. But yeah, I gave up on the clothes from Temu. I'm not bothering that. Right, look what I got. I got this armrest pillow, and I picked a white one, I think, because hang on. Oh, let's move some stuff. Is that still full of water? Yeah, can't put a mint back in there. Yeah, reason I bought this is because I've only got a sponge. I've only got a sponge for when my daughter or granddaughter comes, and when they put their arms on it, the fingers are touching the table, if you know what I mean. So I want them up a bit because they're like gels. So when I was building Gabs the other day, building Gabs nails with gel, she was having to hold her arm up for her fingers to be facing down. Anyway, I know what I mean. That one's not good enough. So I got this, which has got adjustable height legs, because I didn't know if my lamp would fit under it or not. Oh, it don't look too bad actually. Let's have a look. So adjustable legs. There we go. And what a blooming egg. I'm glad when I've got a bigger desk. There we go. So look at the pillow. Yeah, it's padded. Oh, that's nice. Do you know that's heavier than I thought it was going to be? It's a lot more sturdy plastic than I thought it was going to be. That's good. So obviously she needs to have her elbows in at the bottom of there and her hands dangling over here. So the lamp can go there. So I want the shorter legs on those. So shorter legs on those. Nice rubbery bottoms as well. Well, that's adjustable as well, so that's good. And I'm guessing that goes in like that. There we go. That was. Look how solid it is. If you want links for anything, let me know. I'll pop them in. I haven't got time to waste hours putting links in for stuff if you're not bothered. But I will do it if you're bothered. So the longer ones at that side. That's it. It might mean having to move my granite, which I like. Sorry, a lot of faffing today. Yeah, so if I was her, it would be like that, and she can dangle her. Oh, that's going to be brill. That is much more comfortable. When you've got your elbows down and your arms up. Can you see? No, not really. Yeah, so it's up at that bit. You'll have seen them all before. I tell you what, that is a lot more sturdy than I thought. And now my lamp. Let's just unplug this one. Unplug this one. If she was sat like this, if I could have it, turn it further back. So I've either got my extractor or my lamp at the back there, look. And then she can just put a hand in. That's going to be much more comfortable. The only thing is for thumbs, it's not handy for thumbs. So if I make that back a little bit higher. Oh, actually, but I can't get the buttons then. Yeah, so it's either buttons here and Nikki will have to press it. I'll fathom it. I'll fathom it anyway, but it does fit underneath if I raise those legs a little bit. I like it. What else? Right. God, I'm 5 minutes in already. Oh, I've got these and I need to spin you around to show you why I've got all those. What else have I got? I got these stickers because somebody a while ago, and I've got your name somewhere, so if I do it, I'll mention who it is, said about delicate goth. And I know that Tracy, when we said we would, anyway, we've got a collab coming out, but she did make one of the suggestions as doing goth nails, and I thought they would be nice for that. Yeah, I like them. I like them. I've got myself some more 100, 180. They say washable, but you don't, do you? You never do. Oh yeah, brilliant. I love going around my cuticles with them. Spongy ones, and mine cuticles are about due. So they were good, I like them. No, it's not really exciting, is it? What did I buy? Oh, a new plate. A new plate, couldn't resist it. Oh, so Tracy, Design Else 57, pop over if you've not been over there already. She's in our collabs, but she's doing really well, bless her. She's a few videos in, you might be over there already, but if not, have a look at Design Else 57, give her some encouragement. She's not learnt how to edit yet, so they're quite long videos, but she knows that. She's working on it. We all have to start, and I still go out of frame sometimes, and it's driving her mad, but she's doing really well. I like these, look at the length. So even on my nails, they're going to be long enough. Oh, I like that. A lot of the ones that I get are only about this long. So they're a bit of a pain, but I like them being long. Loads of different flowers. I like that. Stardust. SD3019. I like that. I got myself some cuticle. I use nippers, but I wanted to use the ones that are more like scissors. But I can't use scissors with my left hand. They all go a bit weird. So if I want to do them, I need to get the ones that are hinged rather than normal scissors, basically. Don't know if they're any good. They've got a nice action. Can't do my own at the minute, I've not pushed them back. Quite sharp, but no, you know, not professional. I'll try them anyway. I'll try them, see what I like. I'm going to show you where I'm putting them in a minute. I've got nail tools, and I can't remember what I bought. Doing that so I can get my finger in it. Pull it open. Oh yes. Oh, my husband wondered why when the post came it needed an over 18 signature, and he looks at me gone out and I says, hey, I bet postman thinks you've ordered things you shouldn't now. I says, it's because I've got some sharp clippers on, and this is I wanted them to look completely different to the ones that I use for my nails, the little tiny ones, because I want them to take like these flowers off and that, so they'll go under there great. I like them, they're good, very sharp by the look of things. Don't particularly need to be sharp, but strong. got some little diamonds, little diamond sequins. And I fancy sticking them on my nails to see what they look like. So I've got multicoloured ones, silver, and then they're white with a pinky greeny shift. Yeah, so I like them little diamond ones. I realised I haven't got any purple rhinestones, so I've got these. And I was sorting my drawers out the other day and I was looking at my rhinestones. I thought, yeah, that's what I need. Yes, they are nice. Glass. Like them. More stickers. Oh, you can't beat flowers, can you? Unless you hate flowers, I suppose. When I can get rid of them. So, yeah, all different. So 5 sheets, that's good, I like that. 5 sheets. So we've got the Frenchy ones. I do like the French ones. And then the full nail, or mostly full nail. I do love like roses. That's nice. A blossom one, that would be nice. A roundy French. Oh, I like them as well. Similar but purple. So it's the foil background on that one. That's pretty, isn't it? Little gold strands with flowers on. And then tropicals. I thought they looked nice with the gold as well. So tropicals, yeah, so that's those. Any more? I think. Yeah, that's that. So I got, oh, this is one of the pushers that's, you could actually put the little sticky tab things on, I think. But I wanted one for sort of lifting the cuticle in that shape. And I think it's the sort that you can stick the little sanding discs on if you want. But I wanted them to be able to lift my cuticle with it. And I want that for scraping off the gel, because I didn't have one of them. So I've got that. Oh, I'm making right mess here, aren't I? Get rid of some rubbish. Some cuticle pushers. Wood. Boring, but huge gems. Good grief, these are bigger than I thought they were going to be. Blooming heck. Let's get a tray. Gold. Red. Very pretty. But look at the size on my nail. Look at that. Massive. Gosh. It's very nice. But yeah, a lot bigger than I thought. If you do like chunky charms, then or chunky rhinestones, they'd be good. I might make something with them yet, don't I? Which is rare, isn't it, for Temu? It's bigger than you thought. Oh, I bought this. I just thought it looked a bit intricate. Whether I'll end up keeping it, I'll give it away. But I will try it. I'll leave it on a video and show you. Because it's one of the moulds, but it's got the shaped inside because it's quite a big one. Can you see the design that way? So it's quite a big one. So when you've done it, if it does turn out, it'll be shaped on the back. So that was the idea with that one. I'm going to keep that in its bag to keep it clean. I've only got another couple of things. More purple stones, but I bought loads of the smaller ones because I tend to use more small stones than big stones. And almost last is this, which is, you won't be surprised by this because I think everybody's now got this. So this is the one and only that I bought of the GG. And it is the when it gets out. Come out. Oh, I must admit, I can see why everybody's buying them. These bottles are gorgeous, aren't they? Absolutely stunning. Look fab on your desk. Anyway, it's the Russian matte top coat, so you should be able to do isolated chrome with it. So I will give that another try in another video. But I'm just going to show you why I've got these. So I know you need buffers all the time, but these particularly are because, I'm going to take you off my stand. These are because on your, if you've got any of these iron railings or you've got shelves that are this depth, so you can only get one polish all the way along, what I do is I drop that down the back. Drop that down the back, make sure it's flat. And you've got another row of gel polish at the back. And it stands up. Look at that. Double your space. Double your space on your shelves for the sake of a few little buffers. How good's that? Anyway, so that's it. I know it's going to be a long video, even though there weren't much stuff. So thank you all for watching, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed it. Love you loads. Take care. Bye.